Hello everybody and welcome to the next tutorial session of the Instituto Gandhi's English Institutional Program with the Level 3. This is a video for the 6th grade. Today we're going to be practicing with the correct pronunciation of the reading in the unit Baking Cakes. So you are going to need your book for this. If you don't have your book yet, do me a favor, go get your book, come back, and we'll continue. Okay, now that you have your book, let's go. Baking cakes. This is a recipe for a cake. Wash your hands before you start. Very important. Get the ingredients ready. You will need 240 milliliters of sugar, 120 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 360 milliliters of flour, 8 milliliters of baking powder, 120 milliliters of milk, 450 milliliters of chocolate sauce, and a little bit of salt. Set the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Ask a parent to help you. Get a bowl. Use a spoon to mix the sugar and butter together. Add the eggs to the bowl and mix. Then slowly add the flour. Add the baking powder after the flour. Mix in the salt. Add in the milk. Mix the batter until it's smooth. Pour everything into a cake pan. Put the cake pan into the oven. Ask a parent before you open the oven. Bake the cake for 40 minutes. Cool the cake and then decorate it after. The chocolate sauce will make the cake look nice. It will also taste good. Cut the cake and enjoy. Okay, so this reading is about the recipe of a cake, in this particular case, a chocolate frosting cake, which, in my opinion, sounds delicious. I recommend that if you want to try this recipe, you check the quantities because a lot of them don't make a lot of sense to me. So if you have any questions about the recipe of this cake, ask me and I will help you with that. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.